Okay, now that I've read this whole question, how long will it be before she has less than half of what she originally invested? P.S. Before we get started, just know that this problem is going to be a lot easier when you get to Algebra 2. But you have your equation. You know that her original amount was 160, and her multiplier is 0.89, because again, it was decreasing by 11. And so you need to know how much time it would take for her to be at half. So half of 160 is 80. So from there, you can solve this equation, divide both sides by 160, and then you would have 0.89 to the x power. 80 divided by 160 is 0.5. And then from here, like I said, in Algebra 2, this will make more sense. But for now, we're just going to do a guess and check method. If x was 1, 0.89 to the first power is 0.89. If x is 2, see if I can get that to not be so blurry. There we go. If you put 0.89 squared, you get 0.7921. If you put in 3, you get 0.704. And then I started realizing, you know what, this is not moving as fast as I want it to. So then I skipped around. I even put a 10 in there once, and it was really, really small, so I knew that wasn't going to be it. So then I put in 5, so 0.89 to the fifth power, 0.558. And then I was like, ooh, that's pretty close. So then I put in 6, 0.89 to the sixth power gives me 0.497. And so therefore, in order for her to have half the money in there, it would have to stay in there 5 to 6 weeks to make that work. So that's that part. And now I want to look at Desmos and the 3 graphs from the front. So number 70, we did these 3 graphs, and we did them without tables, but kind of still use that same method. And so when you look at Desmos, the first graph, y equals 5 times 3 to the x, you'll see here, again, it's beginning at 5, and then you'll see that up here at 1, it's 15. And so you'll see what that graph looks like on a bigger picture. And then the next one was 10 times 1/2 to the x power. So we knew this one would be decreasing because where the multiplier is less than 1. And so again, it's beginning at 10, and then 5, and then 2.5. And so it's the same graph. And then the last one is that. So it's starting at 1/10, so way, way down there, itty bitty little start, 1/10, and then it's going up. And so those really look just like our 3 graphs there. So again, let me know if you have any questions, or come to my Google Hangout at noon.